What do you want, Nefarious?
Okay, so here's the truth. I'm pissed off because Ratchet's Uncle Azimuth is fucking hot. And every time I get close to sniffing him, he beats the shit out of me. That's why I secretly took a photo of his ass. And I give myself rock pipe jumps every night to it. I really did need to know that.
How about this?
I am the all-seeing cosmic prophet of interdimensional sector 2255 phase Omega. But you can call me Gary. Ooh, friend of my father. I see.
Your father? So what is in that book of yours?
The most up-to-date collection of knowledge in the universe, as cataloged by my father.
And who is that?
I believe you know him as the plumber.
I wouldn't risk any more than 6 minutes.
He is your father?
The Morts used to tell me legends about someone on Torin 4 called the
Fuck!
If it's
Shit!
the
Fuck!
Fuck!
Then I suppose we should see if the legends are true.
Is the fur on this planet?
He most definitely is!
We were told that he can phase quartz.
Phase quartz, blaze quartz, anything! But, we've been having trouble with pirates, so we asked him to help because, you know, he's a big guy. But after a few days of totally crushing them, he just, broke.
Perhaps we could him.
You two look like you could straighten him out in a Molotov minute!
Huh! This must be the on switch!
Oh, shit!
Hello? Are you, okay?
Fuck! Fuck! God damn it, shit!
Can you
Fuck!
this? Thank you.
God damn, I should never. I hate the shit out of you!
Scar! Brother, help me!
Long live the king.
You're
Robo bitch.
He looks a lot like mine. Evil like him, too. You must seriously think I'm an idiot. Look! As real as I'm sure this
Robo bitch.
is, this has the
Mega faggot.
written all over it. Do you hear that?